Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I hope you are good. In the last videos, we talk about different topics of business studies. So, in today's video, as promised in the last video, we'll definitely talk about disadvantage of advertisement. आज हम बात करेंगे disadvantage of advertisement की. अगर कोई organization advertisement कर रही है तो what can be the disadvantage or you can say criticism of a particular advertisement. So let's talk about disadvantage of advertisement. Number one, less effective. Sometimes our advertisement can be less effective. See what happens, I'm telling you, your advertisement is a non-personal selling form. Your advertisement is non-personal selling form where you are not going to door by door and selling your product. It's a totally non-personal selling. So it is totally less comparative, or you can say less effective if we talk about personal selling. Personal selling is more effective, however your advertisement is less effective. So in the comparison of personal selling, your advertisement is less effective. So what you have to do is, so this is one of the disadvantage of advertisement, you can say like this. Let's move to another one, defective sales organization. See what happens if you are doing the advertisement of your product, of your services, but your organization is not that much effective that they are selling their product into the market. आप कितना भी अच्छा एडवर्टीजमेंट कर लो लेकिन आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इफेक्टिव नहीं है, आपके जो सेलर्स हैं वो इफेक्टिव नहीं है, then there is no mean of selling product by doing the advertisement. Your advertisement or your you can say your seller, your organization must be more effective, then only your advertisement will help you to increase your sales. If your organization is not effective, then there is no meaning of doing best, or you can say best to best advertisement in the market. So if you want your sales should increase, then your organization should also be effective. So what we are saying here, we are saying defective sales organization. Defective sales organization means if you are doing or you are broadcasting your advertisement in a better manner, your advertisement is best, but your organization is not effective, then there is no meaning of doing that such advertisement in the TV or any other feedback. Let's talk about the next one, poor feedback. See what happens if we are doing personal selling, then we get the feedback on the same time, but in the advertisement will not get the feedback at the same time. When you are doing an advertisement on TV, on radio, on television or any other medium of the advertisement, then you will not get the feedback. So this is one of the biggest disadvantage of advertisement, that you will not get the feedback on the same time. Or in very few of the cases are there where you get the feedback, otherwise you will not get the feedback where your advertisement is effective or not. Whatever advertisement you are displaying on the TV, radio, or you can say newspaper or magazines, which is good or not, you will not get the feedback. So this is one of the disadvantage of your advertisement. Let's talk about the next, lack of appropriate media. See, whenever we are planning to advertise our product or advertise our services on a particular channel or a particular medium, we have to keep in mind some of the things like what is our product, what is the nature of the product, एंड वॉट इज़ द साइज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. हमारा प्रोडक्ट क्या है, उसका नेचर कैसा है और उसकी साइज क्या है. सो वेन एवर वी आर प्लानिंग टू advertise our product on TV, radio, or you can say any other form, magazines and newspaper, we have to keep all these things in mind. If we choose method of advertisement wrong, if we choose doing the method of advertisement which is wrong, then it will also again lack of appropriate media. So this will shows as lack of appropriate media. The media that you have chosen, आपने जो माध्यम चुना है, जो मीडियम चुना है, which is wrong, क्योंकि आपका मीडियम गलत था. Say for example, you are displaying your advertisement, some advertisement which is totally related with a family, which is a family product, and you are advertising it at 4 AM in the morning on the TV. 4 बजे आप सुबह उसको एडवर्टीजमेंट कर रहे हैं टीवी पर. Is that the proper time? No. If there is a village where all the villagers are illiterate and you are advertising your product in an English newspaper, is that the correct medium? No. Your medium should be proper. Your medium of doing advertisement should be proper. Next, low quality product. See what happens, some of the company produce low quality product and they are trying to sell their low quality product with the help of advertisement. It can happen once only. It can happen once when your product of quality is low. जब आपके प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी क्या है, लो है, तो आप कितना भी अच्छा एडवर्टीजमेंट कर लीजिए, आप अपने प्रोडक्ट को केवल मार्केट में एक बार ही सेल कर पाएंगे, उससे दोबारा सेल नहीं कर पाएंगे. बिकॉज वंस दैट प्रोडक्ट रीचेज टू द कस्टमर and once the consumer or customer use that product, then will get to know what is the quality of product. So if your product of quality is not good, then there is no meaning of doing the advertisement. If you are doing so, you will be success only one time, not more than that. Let's move to the another one, lack of flexibility. See what happens, advertisements are formed on the some particular standards. Advertisement जो बनाए जाते हैं उनके कुछ particular standards होते हैं, उसी standards के basis पर advertisement बनाए जाते हैं. It cannot be amended or you can say it cannot be changed as per the consumer demand और customers flexibility. तो ये जो advertisement होते हैं हमारे एक पर्टिकुलर स्टैंडर्ड के ऊपर बना दिए जाते हैं और बनने के बाद उनको हम कंज्यूमर या कस्टमर के कहने पर चेंज नहीं कर सकते. सो अगर ये चेंज नहीं होगा तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि हमारा जो एडवर्टीजमेंट है उसमें क्या है, लेक ऑफ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है. फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी नहीं है, चेंज नहीं कर सकते उसको, बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑलरेडी रिकॉर्डेड, वो ऑलरेडी रिकॉर्ड हो चुका है एज पर द पर्टिकुलर स्टैंडर्ड्स. सो दैट वी कैन से this is one of the disadvantage of advertisement. Let's move to our next one, sellers market. This is the one of the important one, sellers market. How? See what happens, there are some product which are totally related with the seller market. Let's talk about, like if we talk about LPG, there is no meaning of doing advertisement. If you are advertising your LPG gas, be it any of the brand, there is no meaning of doing that because it's a totally seller market. अगर एलपीजी गैस कितनी भी महंगी होगी या कितनी भी सस्ती होगी, उससे एडवर्टीजमेंट की कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है. आप कितना भी एडवर्टीजमेंट मार्केट में करवा लीजिएगा, एलपीजी गैस के ऊपर कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है. जो यूज़ है उसका वो उतना यूज़ होगा. आपका एडवर्टीजमेंट करने से यूज़ बढ़ नहीं जाएगा और आपके एडवर्टीजमेंट करने से यूज़ कम नहीं होगा. द प्रोडक्ट विच आर टोटली रिलेटेड विद द सेलर मार्केट आर रिटन एज बिलो, लाइक एलपीजी. We talk about kerosene. So these two products are there which are totally belongs to seller market, means there is no advertisement required. यानी ये वो प्रोडक्ट है जहाँ पर कोई भी एडवर्टीजमेंट की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. अगर आप एडवर्टीजमेंट करेंगे तो भी एलपीजी गैस का यूज़ नहीं बढ़ेगा और आप एडवर्टीजमेंट नहीं करेंगे तो एलपीजी गैस का यूज़ कम नहीं होगा. देयर इज नो मीनिंग ऑफ डूइंग एडवर्टीजमेंट. वेयर देयर इज नो मीनिंग ऑफ डूइंग एडवर्टीजमेंट इज नॉन एज अ सेलर मार्केट. Let's move to another one, product with inelastic demand. Inelastic demand means when your price is changing or increasing or decreasing, but there is no major change in the demand. आपकी प्राइस इंक्रीज होने से, प्रोडक्ट की प्राइस इंक्रीज होने से डिमांड में ज़्यादा कुछ चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सॉल्ट दैट वी यूज इन आवर किचन्स एंड ऑल. सॉल्ट एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है, चाहे इसकी रेट कितनी भी बढ़ जाए, हमारी डिमांड में ज़्यादा चेंज नहीं होगा. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड इनइलास्टिक डिमांड, वेयर योर प्रोडक्ट प्राइस इज चेंजिंग, इंक्रीजिंग, बट योर डिमांड इज नॉट मेजरली चेंजिंग. आपकी जो डिमांड है उसमें कोई मेजर चेंज नहीं हुआ. ऐसा तो नहीं होगा अगर नमक की रेट, अगर सॉल्ट की रेट बढ़ जाती हैं तो आप नमक खाना बंद कर देंगे. इज दैट पॉसिबल? नो. It can be minor changes in the demand, but not the major one. So when your product price is changing, but there is no major change in the, you can say, demand of the product, will known as inelastic demand. इसे हम कहते हैं inelastic demand. Last but not the least, advertisement against the interest, tradition and feeling of general public. अगर आपका advertisement जनरल पब्लिक के इंटरेस्ट के अगेंस्ट में है, इंटरेस्ट की किस में है, अगेंस्ट में है, या फिर उसकी ट्रेडिशंस या उसकी फीलिंग के अगेंस्ट में है, देन यू कैन नॉट अट्रैक्ट अ कस्टमर और कंज्यूमर बाय डूइंग द एडवर्टीजमेंट. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर डूइंग सम irrelevant advertisement. Like let's talk about it. Let's understand this topic by an example. There are a particular society which is totally vegetarian, and you are advertising your product there there are some non-vegetarian product. Is that relevant? No, this is totally irrelevant, because your product is not like there is no one who will buy your product, because the entire society is vegetarian, or vice versa, entire society is non-vegetarian, they are not supposed to eat anything vegetarian, then there is no mean of doing advertisement of vegetarian product. So this is the thing where you are going against the interest, traditions and the feeling of a consumer or customer. Or what you are doing is you are showing something like Hindus, Muslims and all. So this will not help for your advertisement. So your advertisement should be relevant. If your advertisement are not relevant, then there is a disadvantage of the advertisement. So in this today's video we talk about disadvantage of advertisement. क्या क्या आपको हानियाँ एक एडवर्टीजमेंट से हो सकती हैं। ये सारी जो हानियाँ मैंने आपको नोट डाउन की हैं, ये डिपेंड करेंगी कि आपका प्रोडक्ट क्या है, आपका प्रोडक्ट का नेचर क्या है और प्रोडक्ट का साइज या प्राइस क्या है। यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन कमेंट, write us, do subscribe our channel and like it. Thank you. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you so much.